Hello, this is John Locke from Lockdown Design, and what I want to talk to you about today is just a few ways that manufacturing websites can improve their SEO. Number one, have a site that is mobile friendly, user friendly, loads quickly, and looks decent. Frankly speaking, a lot of manufacturing websites look very neglected. A lot of them look old. Some of them are really state of the art and are really cool. You want to have something that looks as cutting edge as what your service is. Invest in decent hosting, invest in good design, and have something that is mobile friendly. Number two, have more than just sales pages on your site. A lot of company websites only have sales pages. They might have contact information and just descriptions of their services. It might help you to have informational pages on your site where you answer questions that your customers might have before they reach out to you. A lot of people search stuff before they ever pick up the phone. If you're running into a lot of customers that have questions that seem to come up over and over again, that might be the time to create an informational page for that. Number three, a good way to promote your business would be to make videos of some of the things that you're doing. A lot of people watch YouTube. YouTube is actually the second leading search engine in the world behind Google, and Google owns YouTube. So therefore, a lot of YouTube videos show up in Google search. Not only that, a lot of people who are into machinery and manufacturing really like watching videos of some of the things that you're doing. So making videos where you answer questions, or making just cool videos of some of the things that you're doing inside your shop would be a really good way to generate some buzz for your brand. The fourth thing that you really should be doing, and this is a big one, is making sure that you're building links that are going to drive traffic. And what I mean by that is a lot of sites, they launch and they might get listed on maybe their local business directory, maybe Yelp and Facebook, but they don't do a whole lot outside of that. Now, on our website at Lockdown Design, we have a list of 11 manufacturing directories that are good for SEO because they drive traffic of people who are already interested in learning more about your services and getting products manufactured or buying a product from you that you've manufactured yourself. I'm going to link it up in show notes. There's going to be a list. It's a list of directories that you probably need to be on if you're a manufacturer. And in addition to that, you need to be looking at building links in places that are going to drive traffic. Anytime that you can do something like get your business featured in a local newspaper, or have your company president be interviewed for a discussion on manufacturing techniques or how things are changing, that's a good avenue to pursue, because links from other sites are essentially how Google looks at how relevant your brand is. By building up links on other sites that are talking about manufacturing and where people are reading about manufacturing, that's a good way to build up some traffic for your brand and actually build up a lot of SEO. Lastly, I would say make sure that you're measuring the results that you're getting from any of your SEO efforts. And by that, I mean making sure that you have Google Analytics and Google Search Console hooked up, and that you're measuring how many people are coming to your site, whether that number is going up or down, what pages are they going to. You can definitely hire an SEO agency to help you measure some of the keywords that you should be tracking. If you want to learn more about improving your site ranking on your manufacturing site, you can get a hold of me at my website, which is lockdowndesign.com.